was tasked to implement a master plan. Within this master plan, West African Powerful envisioned regular interconnection projects, including a transmission line to interconnect Cote d'Ivoire, Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea. The CLG project is a multinational investment operation which is financed by 4 donors, as I said, the World Bank, the African Development Bank, the European Investment Bank, and the German Development Bank. The 4 beneficiary countries have also provided counterpart funding for the implementation of the environmental and social management plan, the resettlement action plan, and interest accrued during construction, and further provided customs, duty, and exemptions. Your Excellency, in 2012, a treaty was signed by the heads of state of the CLG countries to establish a special purpose company called Transco CLG, which stands for Transmission Company Cote d'Ivoire, Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea, with the objective to finance, construct, operate, maintain, and own, as well as develop the interconnection line among the member states. For the specific case of Sierra Leone, the project involves the construction of approximately 530 kilometers, 225 kilovolt power line through 7 districts, including Bujahoun, Keneman, Konom, Tonkolele, Konedugu, Umbali, Gambia, and Karani. Your Excellency, sir, I feel humbled to inform you that through our shared resolve and cooperations amidst the global pandemic and challenges, we have completed 3 of the 5 substations in Sierra Leone, all of which are in readiness for energization. The remaining 2 substations at Yiben and Kamakwe will be completed by June 2022. Additionally, Your Excellency, we have constructed and stringed about 450 kilometers of transmission line within Sierra Leone from Bujahoun to Karine, while arrangements are being made to also energize the section from Ikonkos soon. Today, by switching on this light, Your Excellency, you are offering the people of Sierra Leone hope for a better life, improve health and education, alleviating poverty and fostering social economic development. Sierra Leone is the first country to sign both the power purchase agreement and the transmission service agreement and start trade beginning today. This is a clear manifestation, Your Excellency, of your leadership role played in ensuring that the transformative CLG project is achieved for the betterment of all. Both Sierra Leone and Guinea have manifested their unwavering readiness to provide unimpeded electricity access to their respective populations. We were in Guinea during the week to sign the transmission service agreement. Your Excellency, thank you very much for your country's support. And let me say that I'm grateful for the personal and cordial interactions I've had with the members of your cabinet, particularly the ministers of energy and The Minister of Energy has been very very supportive in our journey to see the CLG project become a reality. Mr. Minister, thank you to you and your legal team. We are grateful to His Excellency the Vice President, whom you sent over to Côte d'Ivoire as your special envoy to meet and agree with your counterpart, His Excellency President Ouattara of Côte d'Ivoire, to push the CLSG implementation. Thank you, sir, for such a visionary sight. We are reaping the fruits of that journey today. Your Excellency, please be informed that we have contracted the services of Côte d'Ivoire Electricity, that is the CIE, to operate the line in the interim, whilst the process of recruiting a permanent operator is on the way. CIE has the experience and capability to manage the line, and they have deployed their experts and mobilized the tools and equipment to efficiently and effectively operate the line. Your Excellency, my statement will be incomplete if I fail to mention the laudable efforts or support provided by other ministries or officials of governments, including the Ministry of Finance, Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Energy, Agriculture, Land, Labor, the resident ministers of East and North, and the Environmental Protection Agency, the paramount chiefs, tribal elders in our areas of operations, the project affected persons, contractors and subcontractors, as well as our country team in Syria. Finally, Mr. President, Your Excellency, I would like to extend my profound thanks and appreciation to my valuable team for their hard work, resilience, commitment, and passion that have led me up to reach to where we are today. May God bless Transco, CLG, may God bless the people of Sierra Leone and the Gulf of Sierra Leone. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh, that's a papaya. You got a papaya, that's it. Papa can do. Father of the nation. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Manager, Transco. Ladies and gentlemen, can we put our hands together? Thank you. In helping us to understand the scope of the job, they told us we did 3 of the substations and they are left. This is hope for a better Sierra Leone, for a better life for the people of Sierra Leone. Thank you very much. Now, I want to invite the World Bank country rep to make a statement. Okay, I've just been told that the World Bank representative, Solomon Holiday, ADP, FCDO, Rep, all of them are Holiday. At this moment, I may want the chairman of the Bench Oversight Committee on Energy to come and talk to us.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Please, I want you to allow me to stand on the testicle because I don't have time in my favor. And I want to also plead with you. I am the people's representative. I need to come down to their level. I want you to allow me to use the local dialect, please. Because I want them to know the facts of this project. Let them know that we have a sober-minded government and they have a sober leader and what he has done as far as this project is concerned. His Excellency, Your Excellency, President Julius Maada Bio, I want to take permission from you as head of Parliament because I did it before Parliament, and that means every year if you not open Parliament, anything will talk, you know, the whole matter. My leader of government business, deputy leader of government business, I want them to allow me for that talk. That is the procedure. My leader of government business. Thank you very much. The people then, I want to talk to you this afternoon. SO2, yes, sir. Now, about this light business, you will be the talk they say, you president know the work, I want to know say today, and they compare 3 presidents now this afternoon. President Kaba of blessed memory, President Nkrumah, and President Bio. They will not choose. And this light in Kawan in this country, and the O3, who that one faster and who that one able But I want to tell President Bio thank you. I know there will time when wait. I want to tell President Bio thank you. If I turn up today, I know about energy business and salon. I let you wake me from sleep for that. Tell you how the energy business in this country. I tell you, I know the watch is a book, I know the watch paper. Now, President Bio give me the spirit. I will tell you why. When they make me parliamentary committee chairman on energy, I go to Honorable Matthew Yuma when I will lead our government business now for an old MP. Now I tell her, this position will not give me how to handle that. Now he coach me. He said, you as chairman, this you will do. So Mr. I do the first attempt. Now I call the Minister of Energy, ex-aboard, DGTC, all the Kumukamba for Kana Parliament. As the Kana Parliament, I let you call her. He said, Mr. Minister, I want to see you. Now he said, hey, Parliament don't invite you. So now the President tells us, he said, okay, go attend to Parliament. When you know that you come. And when we go, he tells me, say, President wants here, but we don't tell President, say, Parliament don't call him. We there on the meeting, we ask them for we update here in team how the energy business in this country. Now he call come back from State House, the President, they wait for, and I say, I still busy with Parliament. Now the President tell us, we'll continue with Parliament when you know you come. That make us feel proud that they and no say President get respect for Parliament. So that even give me the inspiration for that, even when we have to be open to hand. When I hear when the resident minister talk, this CLSG, now 3 presidents involved in this CLSG. How this whole CLSG start? This program all started on the 5th of December 1999. Me and you know what I mean. Then in 2006, the ECOWAS head of state they meet up in Niger for them to adopt this West African power pool. And President Kaba back within a power. Then in 2013, this CLSG business and they bring out to the House of Parliament as Sierra Leone. That's another parliament for ratification for adoption. The House of Parliament adopted in 2013. That's when President Nkrumah be in power. So now 2 presidents are don't call not to so. In 2014, the loan agreement 90 Parliament of Sierra Leone ratify them and not still go Parliament yet. So President Kaba intend 2 jobs he do, not also 1999 and 2006. President Nkrumah in time, they don't adopt it in 2013, then they don't ratify the loan agreement in 2014. How many people then? One interested thing. Any date you are called, when I say nothing will happen, yeah? Any date you are called, 2014, nothing happened. 2015, nothing happened. 2016, nothing happened. 2017, nothing happened. Now any talk and do in 2018. When President, when I know what to make a tell when this, go and tell them now we stronghold. We not value say we get sober president. Now make a do on this history. Then when I compare now when I know today we get sober president. The president will not die for will not vote for if he really work for this country or he make he push shameless power. We guys have been here say we are going to force challenge you and the cherry to pieces. I will talk for them and when you go back. So when the talk and do in 2018, I appoint in talk and do minister. I say you take care of the energy business. I don't tell you now. Mr. I don't make history in this country. Then promise a substation so where Mr. Sheriff talk about so. Tilomana, Big Congo, Yibe, Kamakwe, Bubula. Now before me, then do all the trench and all the trench and begin pour libation. Now during the reign of President Yo, remember, they can't tell me now on the three presidents there, who have moved this like this and faster. Now when President but before they put them foundation here, when we did this year, 1 million did one. You know they could do this year and 1 minute. So that we get for get calls for let them go back parliament. That time we have been chairman. So I'm proud of that also. If this Jim, just 3 years in office or 3 years. Just 3 years in office. Then why they tell us so that 11 years, the other one at 10 years. In a 3 years in office no more. 3 power stations don't go. Then with the COVID of course. Then when I hear Mr. Sheriff talk, in line, the 530 kilometers this line they cover. From Mano, Liberia, for Kante to the end, which is Salundi. They don't do over 400, they don't swing all the lines here. Over 400 meters. Over 400 kilometers. Now, under President Bill, just in 3 years in office. Just 3 years in office. So today, if they can't turn on the light, Bo and Kenema, when I be said today, if we don't get lights, we are the best for we are the best for President Bill. Not also we say, yes, that's what we say. But today, when they get light, what do we get for 10 weeks today? Alright, when the light don't come today, you are the APCO, you are the C4CO, you are the AGCO, you are the SFPPO, all they vote for President Bill next year. Fine. So now the light they can't today. Anybody who can't now before you say that they begin this project, now the history that they were doing now. We're not talk that history no more. We say after parliament, all the debate now so APC they say. That project now we scatter. Now we have scattered the history before they went in a parliament for where they don't set one today. Any APC policy come before you just tell on this history, yeah? Apart from now one day, President, you not only concentrate on CLSG. That person not go talk to another one with CLSG. We got what to call mini grid. Mr. Minister, Mr. Chairman, please allow me. Because these are some things that people don't need for those say, then let's talk about we got what to call mini grid. Before President Biode come, the first phase of mini grid don't roll out, we call it work package 1. Now 55 communities, 54 communities. That 54 communities where you get leadership on the plan well. That 54 communities where you put all together and only 2 megawatts. So President, you get for the radio, they carry second term. So then community, there are 54 community, you will definitely get for increase on the output level. Because if less than 2 megawatts, not able to take care of their communities and they get after 5 years. But when they talk and do come, they say I test 44 communities. Now I take 44 communities. They say me I electrify. I take they say me not to that I'm more business. So when I give every community, when I give the life, we will take 20 years, we will not go bother again for go add any value to them. So the 44 communities where President Bio in your regime don't do is about 12.6 megawatts. 44 communities. 54 communities is only 2 megawatts. In your 44 communities is over 12 megawatts. So would that do it? The leftover will not answer. Then the other wonderful thing where President Bio don't do since independence, now we can talk. I don't talk on where we are challenging journalists. I don't talk on AOIB in a television. Today nobody not come for deny me saying a lie. Since independence, no government, whether SLPP or APCO or whatever, no government, no one they take money out of your pocket for electrify one district headquarter town. No government. I don't challenge anybody. If you see the government call me tomorrow, they will not AOIB. No one talk on a corner. They will talk on public. When President Biolonka in 3 years. They say they electrify 7 district headquarter town. 7 from in pockets. From in pocket to money, not to don't help we. We don't want to know the town there. Kabala, Gambia, Moyamba, Kujao, Bong, Matrudo, and Kailan. Me and the parliamentary committee on oversight, we just come out about 2 months ago. We don't put a report together with the request Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy for us to discuss. We don't go discover what are the problems, what are the gains and where they need. We got to report to them. Because me much sharp, quick along on television. Honorable, you might say, honorable, you go on television today for go talk. Honorable, you want to tell you thank you because I don't make a easy. So, 7 district headquarters town, out of Salomonis, Ebo, Corona Day, we don't meet, we brother the family also all day, the pot will be used for cook. The rest will be there, the crowd, they don't prepare the crowd, they boss the pot. When President Local, they get for cook or for long eat, but the first boss, they don't make, they don't patch the pot. They don't clean the pot on fire. They don't put the rest of pot. The rest they can cook. Waiting on a worry, why would I be vexed? If it was done there now, you don't get confidence they can't eat because the pot still on fire. The rest they can cook. I want to show you, I say, already President Bill they do so most times. Na software business. We don't come in second term. Now we go see one. By the grace of God, by the grace of God. So now make we go and Kenema and they talk to it today. When President Nkrumah be in power 2007 when he win, Makeni no get better like 2030. One day boss no grumble. Yes. But now we dey grumble now today. Sure. Today. Yes. President one time I go on radio. Now we get the program for bring the parliament to the people. All your activity people they sabi. We go on radio, 90 people they requested, they want to read from the Minister of Energy. Now I take Minister of Energy, I take Dr. Hussein Idea, and the other one of the energy group, I tell them go on radio, me said the SLBC now go, we link them in my SLBC. It was surprising for no that net, I not sleep. We young party people, they were sabi very well, and they attack me that net. And they attack me on social media, Facebook. But me and the partner, you know, say me say we don't clear the pool Sarah from the mouth. Me and the partner. This is bad. Sure. Now the only government is going to power when you go bluff. Yeah. Sure. So now make a leg back. So that life for we get, we are with the farm. Then we support President Bio. Then he can second term. He roll out in project the way he get. We know say he not left this country, so he not the best sport. Then wait till again. Another big project they come. Then they said we don't die down. I'm more many. Bumbuna 2. 100. Bumbuna 2 they come. The Bumbuna 2 now 183 megawatts. President Yosef me allow I want like outside of this country. You understand? I want like outside of this country. So then they said they online this one. They come. And in outside they will run the day. Won't go there where they talk a different way at the talk. Where they talk now, and they talk to now the Kuna and young people and our bond with them. I want to say now that President you. If we not joke with them, we will not play with them. Wait for months. Now we have where people that we have. We all know. We all be there at this country. So I want to say people do the time. Another wonderful one way happy. At the time of another wonderful one we have today this year. The Minister of Energy go lay one paper back in Parliament. But this paper when Minister can go, now one very easy to go. Now I have a couple of people that said that the President you know they travel fast back. Now they go, President you know they travel fast back. Tell it to me. Me, I don't travel. That travel where President you know they travel today, I don't get the benefits. Yes. I don't see the benefits, now you can tell now. I don't go Ghana, I don't go Morocco, I don't go Turkey. I just come up Poland 1 week ago. When I go to Sudan, I have the head of the education. They represent Sierra Leone very well, make a proud that day. They will go by a conference, but that's not a conference. Information. He represents Sierra Leone that day. They make her feel big. President Bio don't make Sierra Leone image, don't clean outside the under. They're quite dirty. Today we don't dirty. Where are the debates at Parliament? And they tell us, I say one of the roles or one of the functions of government in an economy, we got what we call diplomatic representation. But President Bio don't clean down. They don't clean now. If President Bio not be clean down, the salary itself will not go able to pay. Salary in the delay. No, when I tell you about salary in the delay, whose government will come down not get salary yet? But now we force and they pay will, then they pay will last. Me, I don't get me your alert yesterday, so that means they don't pay will the teacher then order will come there. But I don't mean say once you go alert me this evening. So, yes, I can't. No worry, I get some of the people. The energy business, I don't tell you, when people are asleep, they're all in a day. When President Bioka, this time what we can put also today, this year LSG. You know, they think big. They say no, some communities and this still for expand our Okanja. They say I got 39 communities where they don't study the line. Where they come on hotel, go Kamakwe. Big towns and they say no, that town are all for benefit. And when you're ready for shaping up, you can choose. Mabonto the all day, all those time Mabonto the other time I've been there with Minister Ogudi. 39 communities that they get for benefit from this LSG line. We don't know what that they mean. The energy access where President Bio take power be 14%. Today at the time that the energy access in Sierra Leone at 31%. The evacuation capacity in Sierra Leone where President Bio take power was 50 megawatts. Today the evacuation capacity in Sierra Leone is getting to 90 megawatts. You don't know say you get over president? We are not that one day. Then why are they go and talk? Say as if we are not get over president. Nigeria will not get so. Diamond I will get so. Gold, silver I will get so. And the advice you today, you will be there for our life. Where you go, when I won't go out, why this not happen? Why this not happen? We are left that one day. We are not pray God for the man, let God be a chance. The one day where you know appoint around, they let them all work with a hand in glove. We know say in agenda it will succeed. You will work. You will work for president. You will let be president. Then bad statement that they will left for the talker. Me, I know they ever dream for talkers and give me no bad. And one thing president you don't do so today. From independence, since independence, no president other than this country we don't come, where it value parliament, where it take parliament to have your president view. Now another history and they challenge anybody again on that one day. Then what we go now, we will go to the details. No president, no the way if you don't come at this country since independence. What the president be able to do, where if you don't do it before. Then the last one, when the minister carried the document go last week, go there na table. Na parliament go on procedure that one day. Now I tell leader of government business, say this thing no allow with time. Now leader of government business tell and say this is a government motion important. If you want to accept tomorrow, we declare. Tomorrow I say you want to declare. So we put them to Tuesday. We don't know who that give the money. We don't know who that give the money for that project. Now America. America. Where are the debaters? They open the debate. So I say America here will come. Yes. If we not get better diplomatic representation, we are not recognized. That day will happen. No. It not will happen. Not so. When we go Paul Lampa Internet Governance Forum program, look honorable Bostimu, that's the lawyer that. You get African, and a few African countries, I don't think they will be down to 6 African countries where they invite. Salon small country, they invite you. Now we 8 go. Salon now 8 they invite for long go. If some of the delegation they said now the people they sponsor. That they tell us say diplomatically we are well recognized out there. And when we go there, then we do that kind of thing. So today, you will be say you not get better president. I want to let you know say this president will get from independence, you not get this kind of president. It is independent. Look, from here you work 3 years, in 3 years work to the one that wait 10 years, the one where they take 11 years. You, when you don't say or when you don't get hope, you don't get confidence in president, you don't say it will lead, it will succeed. I want to change your mind today, say, President, you get blessing, you get for succeed. President, I want to tell you for thank you again for the opportunity. Because that kind of respect, when you give me that day, they will come on, where some of you minister and all the sectorial heads. That respect when you give me, I tell you for thank you. There are also one thing to the Minister of Energy, Alhaji Kanja say, President, if you see today, I'm well informed about the energy sector. The minister here in team not ever hide anything about the committee. And one thing we want, they encourage the other ministers, especially where we honor you begin them. Let them open up to the committee members and let them really know how government they operate. Me, I swear to God, anybody come in and say, what's the energy business and education business come? And they challenge you. You wake people and sleep, and not the whole people in hand. And they challenge you. So then 3 presidents here for this light in Kawa, would have pass in country. We are not three say before they are no face back. Then 3 presidents they are going down, they don't take 11 years. The one don't take 10 years. The one don't take 3 years. Would have pass in country. President Bioe, we don't holler about President Bioe. Madam Bioe. Right before I sit down, we don't hot president. Una be the hot president. How una hot am? Give up, no.